Finally. Okay, let me. Oh, oh, they are online. What they're playing? What they're playing? Oh, Roblox. Okay. Okay, let me see. Join them. Join them. Wait a minute. Yo, dude. Gabby's online. He sneak out. It's 1 a.m. What? Let me see. You're real, dude. He's online. Yay. Let me call him in Discord. Yo, bro. Are you online? Heck yeah, dude! We're gonna play at boys' night, right, guys? Right, guys? Yeah, dude. But I don't think you're gonna be happy for this. What? Cody and Brian is here. What the hell? Cody and Brian? No way. Dude, do Brian even know Roblox? Yeah, I teach him. Dude, did you buy that merch? Yeah, it's right here. Let me see. Okay, turning on my camera. Oh, you really buy that merch, man? Yeah. Wait, Cody's calling me. Cody, what's up, man? What you want? Uh, can you invite Gab over? I want to invite him. Dude, his mom is asleep. He's not gonna allow them. Dude, just call them. Okay. Okay. Hey, Gab. Cody wants you in our house. Can you go? No, say Cody no, cause I'm not allowed. Oh, okay. So guys, can we play now without Gab? No way, Brian. Yeah, no way. Man, he was good at grinding. At blocks fruits. Yeah. I'm so sorry guys, I can't really. The hell is that noise? Let me look him at the back door. Minute Gab, where are you? You guys, Cody and Brian, they won. What you won? My mom woke up and he hear us talking. No way, that's fake news. No, it's real. Yeah, Brian believe him. Yeah, man. Fine. At least he's not in the room no more. But I am here. I knew it. Uh-oh.